Healthy autumn salad recipe. This autumn salad is packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients. This autumn salad is perfect for a crisp fall day, packed with cozy ingredients like kale and nuts. Did you know that kale and nuts are two of the best foods to eat to fight inflammation? Yes, it's true. You can enjoy this salad as a meal on its own or top it with roasted chicken for a heartier option. It's also a great choice as a side dish for holiday entertaining. As a leafy green cruciferous vegetable, kale is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has been linked to cancer and cardiovascular disease prevention, healthier eyes and bones, and a stronger immune system. Butternut squash, a type of winter squash, is super nutritious and has numerous health benefits. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and magnesium. It's also rich in the carotenoid zeaxanthin, which may protect your eyes, heart, and immune system. This recipe is gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Here are some tips from the test kitchen. Massaging kale helps tenderize the leaves and infuse them with the flavors of the dressing. You can use different varieties of apples, such as Fuji, Gala, and Granny Smith. And if you're not a fan of Gorgonzola cheese, feel free to substitute it with other types of blue cheese, feta, or goat cheese. You can even make this autumn salad ahead of time by roasting the butternut squash and refrigerating it for up to 2 days. So if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious salad that fights inflammation, give this autumn salad a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Get the recipe link in description. Like and subscribe the channel for useful tips on health and nutrition.